What's up guys, welcome to the internet Moola. In today's video I am going to show you how to fix GeForce experience if it's not recording your games. So let's go ahead and show you guys how to do it. The first thing, open the NVIDIA app or the GeForce experience application and run it as administrator. Once you do that, click yes. So the first step, go to your settings in GeForce experience and then make sure NVIDIA overlay enabled. So if it's disabled, enable this one. After that, go to your graphics, check the game you want to record and click revert. Click optimize and now click on the open overlay icon and check if this one is the same as mine, which is like alt+F9. So if once you want to record the game, click alt F9 and it should start recording when you start the game. After you finish, click alt F9 and it will stop recording and it's gonna save all the recording in one of the folders you have in your laptop. So you can also enable your microphone, or if you want to capture a picture, you can click alt F2. So like if you want a screenshot, click alt F1 and it will save a screenshot. So that's it for this video. If you guys like, please hit the like button, subscribe and share with your friends. Don't forget to put another issue you have with your gaming laptop in the comments below this video and I will be glad to help. Thank you guys for watching this one.